Daniel, good job.
It's orange.
Good job. Orange.
It's grape. It's
Okay.
a strawberry.
Strawberry, yes. What is this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Potato.
No, it's not potato.
Oh.
It's we're gonna mix them all first. One,
Vienna.
two,
Yes.
three. Cheers.
Let's do this.
What is this?
It's just cabbage.
Yes, good job. Okay, put it. Next. Choose one more time. What is this?
Pineapple.
Yes, good job. Okay. Find where is the grapes? Take grapes. Yeah. Where is the grapes? The purple fruit. Grapes. Yes, good job. Is it grapes, guys? Yes, good job. Very well. Zlata will get 1 point. Come, take 1 point. Next one, Azatik. Come and find where is the watermelon. Watermelon. Yes, very well, guys. Okay, put watermelon in the box. In the box. Good job. Go, take the eggplant. Eggplant. No, it's not eggplant. Yes, eggplant. Only one eggplant. Only one. Good. Good job. Good job. Eggplant. Yes, bring eggplants. Good. Daniela, bring. Bring eggplants. Good. Very well. Now come here. Next. Bring the tomato. Tomato. It's potato. Yes, David, good job. Tomato. Only one. Bring only one tomato.
That is mine.
Yes, that is yours. Okay, Azazi, bring. Okay, that's okay. Fine. Yes, good job, Alyosha. Come. Okay.